Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a little video about some fall decorations. As you know, fall is here or coming. I have literally no idea when it starts. I think it started? I don't know. Starbucks came out with pumpkin spice and now here we are. As you can see, I added a little bit of fun fall decor to my little desk. I have a little skull, which if you check out my Instagram, you'll be able to have seen already, which you can check me out on my social media at Colie Cheops. And I've got my little pumpkin and flowers and stuff on my desk. And that's my desk, I guess. I just gave you a tour. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little video about different fall decor that I had and, you know, setting it up and all that kind of thing. So I guess let's just go into that portion of the video. But before we do, I think you know what I'm going to say. If you've seen any of my other videos, definitely go ahead and give this video a subscribe and a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. And I post videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right, to the actual video portion. So I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little fall tour of the decorations I have in my house. I do hope to increase them every year, you know, just little by little. And a lot of the stuff are, you know, from Dollar Tree or hand-me-downs. So, you know, just a little by little. And soon I'll have as many decorations as I have for Christmas, which is literally insane. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it give the video a like and give my channel a subscribe and follow me on my social medias at Colie Cheops. And oh yes, I also post videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.